Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.2, Problem 21. This is Section 3.2, Problem 21. It says round 45.098214 to the nearest thousandth. So this is the same number we've used in the past couple of problems, but we're rounding to a different position, thousandth this time. So first, identify which digit is the thousandth position in our number. So if you start at the decimal, the first one to the right is the tenths position. The next one to the right after that is the hundredths position, and the next one after that is the thousandths position, which is what they're asking us to round to. So the thousandths position is the 8. So now what we want to do is look at the digit 1 over to the right of the rounding position and determine if it's big enough to bump that 8 up to a 9, or if it's not big enough. And it turns out that it's not big enough. If it's 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, which is what we have, 2, you just leave the rounding digit the way it is and eliminate all the digits that come after it. If it were bigger, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you would increase the rounding digit by 1 and then eliminate the digits that come after it. But in this case, the digit to the right is not big enough for that. So rounded to the nearest thousandth, the answer would be 45.098, and the other digits are eliminated.